Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will learn how to add connector lines in Figma diagram-style layouts. If you've ever faced the challenge of creating clear and connected diagrams or flowcharts within Figma, this video is tailored for you. Today, we're diving into a straightforward yet immensely valuable skill: how to add connector lines in your Figma design files using the FigJam feature. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only master the art of drawing lines between shapes, but also enhance your ability to visually organize ideas, aiding in creating more compelling presentations, streamlined workflows, or well-structured project plans. Let's jump in and get started. First, make your way over to your Figma dashboard. At the very top of the interface, you'll notice an option labeled FigJam. FigJam is Figma's powerful collaborative whiteboarding tool. It's an excellent space for brainstorming sessions, crafting flowcharts, or mapping out various processes with your team. Click on FigJam to open up a fresh workspace. You'll be greeted with a clean design page, ready for us to start building our diagram. Next, let's create a basic diagram to work with. Begin by adding 3 squares to your canvas. You can do this by selecting the Shape tool, which typically appears as a small square or rectangle icon in the left toolbar. Click on the square shape, then click and drag anywhere on your workspace to create your first square. Repeat this process 2 more times so that you have 3 distinct squares lined up on your board. You might want to think of these squares as steps in a process or different ideas you wish to connect. This mindset will help you understand the purpose behind connecting them. Don't worry about perfect alignment at this stage. You can always adjust the positioning later. Now, let's introduce the connector lines. Navigate to the same menu where you found the shapes and look for the connector tool. This tool often looks like a line with a circle at the end or resembles a branching arrow. This is the key tool for linking your ideas together. Select the connector tool, then move your cursor to one of your squares. As you hover near the edge of your first square, you'll notice little purple dots or handles appearing. These are ideal for starting or ending a connector line. Click and drag from the edge of the first square toward the next one. As you drag, you'll see the line stretching out. Drop the end of the connector onto the edge of the second square, and it will snap right into place. Repeat this process to connect your second square to the third one. Again, ensure that the connector attaches neatly to the edges. A fantastic feature of FigJam's connectors is their flexibility. Suppose you want your lines to curve around shapes or need your diagram to look tidier. Simply click on any connector line you've drawn, and handles will appear, allowing you to bend or adjust the curve of the line. Experiment with these adjustments until your connectors flow from one square to the next in a manner that suits your needs. Don't worry if it takes a few extra moments. Adjusting lines is a normal part of the process and can significantly enhance the readability and visual appeal of your diagrams. Remember, these visual details can make a big difference, especially when presenting your work to clients or collaborators. And that's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can transform a collection of shapes into a dynamic and understandable diagram. Whether you're mapping out a workflow, designing a decision tree, or simply brainstorming, connector lines are an essential tool to help your ideas communicate clearly. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider giving it a thumbs up and feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or if there are other FigJam features you'd like to explore. Hopefully, this tutorial helped you understand how to add connector lines in Figma diagram-style layouts quickly and easily. For more helpful guides like this one, be sure to subscribe.